Hello investor, in today's video I'm going to cover the penny stocks. Yes, you heard it right, the penny stocks. But this is the penny stocks not coming from any other sources. This is the penny stocks coming off the biggest value investors, who is the none other than the Seth Klarman. Yes, the Seth Klarman portfolios. So I was analyzing the portfolio of the super investors, and I noticed that he has invested in these three penny stocks, and in today's video I'm going to go over this three penny stocks one by one, and then go over what are the price target for this one, and a little bit go over the company as well, not very deep into the financial as I usually, but just to keep in so if you're new to the channel, please give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe if you're new. So who's Klarman? And he's the value investor, there's no doubt about it, right? So he has written this margin of safety book, which is on Amazon, is selling over $2,000 as well, Canadian dollars. So let's get started. The Trilogy Metals. So this is a Canadian company with under the ticker name TMX. Right now the share price is at $2.56. This company is more about the metal and mining, comes under the basic material sectors. So it is traded under TMX in both US and Canada under the same ticker name. So this company, as you can see, has does the copper, zinc, lead, gold and silver based projects, right? Pretty much what is mean is US based exploration stage company engaged in the mineral explorations. So that's, and the focusing on exploring and developing its mineral resources. So if one thing which I really like about this company is, for sure, it has it's not that heavy. The price is low, for sure. This is a penny stock, but look at the earning per share. The earning per share is only $1.52. So this means you are investing in this company as $2.56, and if you buy the shares, and you immediately get the earning of $1.52. So you are only buying with a net of $1 extra, or not even $1, like 90, some less than even $1, right? So that's amazing. For sure, the PE right now is very low, right? And the return on equity and the return on asset, look at, is huge. The price of a book is even less than $2. But just want to remind again, but these are the penny stocks, can be risky as well. But I'm also pointing out that this is what financial is also saying. So okay, so good thing is the earning is positive on this one. If I see the price target of this company is, there are 7 analysts following it, so which is a good sign, right? So out of 7, the 4 analysts are saying the buy, and 2 are saying outperform, and only 1 is saying the hold. So from the price target goes to $3.44, which is 72% up, which is amazing, right? So that's on to this first stocks. So the next one I will go, let's take the Wist Oil and Gas Corporation rather than Colony, right? So the Wist one is, if the company does the oil and gas explorations, so it's in that category. So the earning, if I quickly see the matrix here, the matrix is the negative, right? The company is not making any income as compared to the Trilogy Metals. But the price, if I see the price of a book is even less than 50% of his book value, which is immensely cheap. The company is not doing any dividend, but one thing is stand out from on this when I was checking the valuation is that, look at the operating cash flow. The operating cash flow is increasing significantly from each year, right? So that's a good sign. So if I see the price of the target for this Wist is by the analysts, so the 3 analysts only is following that, and from $2 to $6.70, which is 144% up. right? And the median is also not much difference, it's only $6 difference. Three analysts are saying it will is a buy, and one is saying is a hold. So that's a number two in the list. So continue with our journey of analyzing these companies. So let's take the last one, but the not the least. So this one is CLNY. This CLNY is the REIT company, Colony Capital. So if you can go onto the website, it very clearly says this invest in the public and private public digital infrastructures and real estate equity and debt, and manage the complex range of investment vehicles, right? So they have 23 billion in asset under management. So it's quite a good number of money, right? So if I see the one good thing only it stand out honestly is the dividend. So the company is paying dividend, which is the almost 9%, which is insane. It's quite high, and it comes out to be 0.11 USD or quarterly, right? If I see the history of the dividend, it seems like quite consistently quarterly company paying the dividend. But look at here, the company also has a history of cutting the dividend around 28th of December 2017. So it was 27 cents and then it cuts to 11 cents, right? And before it was 1 point something and then 10 cents. So it goes up and down. So it's not, so it's company, the good thing is company paying, but the dividend is fluctuating. Okay. Yeah. So the operating cash flow, if I see the operating cash flow, usually I always like to look into the operating cash flow. The cash flow is decline in 2019, which I really don't like it. Overall, otherwise the cash flow is increasing, which is coming from their core business. If I quickly see the CLNY, the price target is again is $6, and only 3 analysts are following that, which is out of 2 analysts saying the buy and 1 is saying the hold. So that's all on from these 3 stocks. But just want to give the 2 cents up here as well, that even if the value in if the Seth has invested $21 million in TMQ, but you can see he has invested heavily $61 million and $61.759 million into CLNY, and almost $10 million to West Oil and Corporation. So if we see all 3 weights, the heaviest weight is on this company, then on the second number is this one, and the third number is this one out of these 3 stocks. So that's all from it. But just again, as a friendly reminder, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And in future, usually I won't cover the penny stock, but if you want me to, if I find something similar or interesting, and if you want me to cover that, please put in the comments and give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe if you're new. Yeah, and bye for now. Thanks.